Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce freight costs with C.H. Robinson, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding your freight costs is crucial for your business. Start by analyzing your current shipping expenses. Gather data on your past shipments. Identify patterns in your shipping volumes and destinations. Next, evaluate your freight needs based on your product characteristics. Consider the size, weight, and value of your goods. Connect with C.H. Robinson's team for a consultation. They can provide insights tailored to your business requirements. Consider exploring multiple shipping modes. C.H. Robinson offers a range of options, from truckload to intermodal. Utilize their technology platforms for real-time tracking and analytics. This can help optimize your routes and improve efficiency. Discuss potential consolidation opportunities with C.H. Robinson. Combining smaller shipments can lead to substantial savings. Negotiate rates with carriers that C.H. Robinson partners with. Leverage their buying power for competitive pricing. Stay informed about market trends that could affect your freight costs. C.H. Robinson can provide valuable market insights and forecasts. Regularly review your shipping contracts for opportunities to renegotiate. Ensure you're not locked into outdated terms that no longer benefit you. Explore warehousing options to reduce freight costs. C.H. Robinson offers warehousing solutions that can streamline your supply chain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.